Hello, Rosa's Holiday Your Way enthusiasts. Here we are again with another unboxing of an incredible item from our Notions and Gifts box, the countdown this year for 2025. This is your last warning. If you do not want to see what's in the box, please, please, please close this video, shut down, go someplace else, and come back when you would like to see what we have in store for you. As we do each day, we're going to go through each item. I'm going to shake it like a kid in a candy store. We're going to bend it, twist it, and see if we can guess what's inside. And then I will tell you why it was selected for this specific item and for this specific box. Hello and welcome back. We have another awesome gift today to open from our Advent box. And so this one is schedule a date with fabric. So schedule a date. I'm thinking, given the size, given what it looks like and feels like, maybe it's a day planner, maybe it's a scheduler, maybe it's, who knows, right? It could be a recipe book. It feels like we're scheduling a date with fabric, which, to be clear, like imagine that for a second. Like you're scheduling a date. You could go out with your significant other, or you could schedule a date with fabric, which feels fun too, maybe slightly more expensive, maybe not, but scheduling a date with fabric. So this is very rigid. Doesn't make any sound when I shake it. Let's go ahead and pop it open and see what's on the inside. And what we have inside is a quilter's date keeper. And so this is Bonnie Hunter's perpetual weekly calendar. And when you open it up inside of it, it's Bonnie Hunter, right? So she is a genius. She makes a ton of quilts. This is, if you guys have not seen a Bonnie Hunter quilt, this is Bonnie Hunter personified. Look at how many teeny tiny pieces there are. This is a signature Bonnie Hunter quilt. To me, it's inspiring because that's awesome as a whole piece, or you could take even a smaller piece out and perhaps make a pillow, something way easily achievable. But the way that this works is it is a perpetual calendar. So it is meant to be for any year because it always starts like May 1st is always here and it is 7 days. So it is independent of the year. So you can start using it next year, or perhaps you can even use it the year after. But it's a good kind of tool because it has beautiful inspiration right next to your planning. So you can use it at any time that you want. Say you want to pick it up for the last 2 weeks of this year, you most definitely can. That is not a problem at all. And in true Bonnie Hunter resourcefulness fashion, in the back, so gosh, guys, every time I turn a page, there's just more and more quilts, right? There's a ton of how to finish your quilts, a lot of tips and tricks and things that are good to have handy. And so when we saw this, we're like, this is functional. This is fantastic. This can be used for a full year. You could even dedicate this toward just the projects you're making, kind of like a paper version of Goodreads. Like, this is the quilt I'm working on. This is when it's done. This is all the manufacturer information. This is the pattern information. Plus, we just think that it's beautiful that all those pages have so much inspiration on each one, and you kind of want to turn all the pages. And I feel like this could be dangerous and that each week you could create a new project because you turn the page and you want to make each one. Look, guys, like, come on now. There's so many fun quilts in here, and we were inspired by the quilts and we were inspired by the functionality and the fact that this is something that could be used all next year. You guys, we love it. We had to include it in the box. I know that this you guys might be like, I already have a calendar. Well, you don't have one just for your quilts, and so we wanted to give you one for that. We hope you love it as much as we do, and we are so very happy we were able to include it in this countdown box. All right, enthusiasts, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed today's unboxing. Join us again tomorrow when we will have another fantastic gift. We're going to open it, we'll take a look at it, and we'll learn all about it tomorrow in our next video. That is all for us. Happy sewing, and we will see you soon.